Welcome back, everyone, to TV5 News at 9. It is time now for Legally Speaking with attorney Carol Thomas, who's joining us right now on the couch. How are you?
I'm fine, Blake. Thank you for having me this morning.
Of course, our pleasure. And we're talking about your upcoming seminars surrounding elder law, estate planning, trusts, all that good stuff. Attorney Thomas, share with us, please, when your next seminar is.
Well, my next seminar actually is going to be next Wednesday at the Doubletree Hotel in Bay City.
Okay.
And I do them in Bay City twice a year and in Saginaw twice a year. And actually, my next one is coming up in Saginaw, May 17th at the Horizons Conference Center.
Very good. And you've been doing these seminars now 25 years. They're always filling to capacity, everyone. And, you know, it seems so great. Why do you think people are filling up these seminars so quickly? You're offering a third option. You added one.
Yes, actually, Blake, we had to add one because next week in Bay City, I had sessions at 10 o'clock and 5 o'clock, and they have already filled to capacity. So we had to add noon, and I think noon's going to fill to capacity. So that's what I wanted to say this morning, that please call if you do want to come to my seminar. If not, the Saginaw one is just around the corner in 2 months. But I love doing these seminars. I think people that come to see me tell their friends, why don't you go to a seminar and find out what you need to know?
Yeah, and I love that you make them available at any time and often, too. I know your time is money. So you will be covering wills and trusts at your seminar. Is there other topics that you go over?
What I basically talk about are wills, trusts, as you said, but it's how does someone that's over the age of 50, if you or a spouse have a stroke, if a parent has a stroke, and suddenly they're in a nursing home, how can you afford $10,000 to $12,000 a month? They're very expensive. What I'm able to do for people is get all of their assets protected. And really, there isn't a plan B. This is what you need to do to get things protected. So I think that's why my seminars are filling up, because people are aware of the importance of getting this information.
And it's valuable, and they need it. So what is your favorite part personally about offering these seminars?
Oh, I love that you asked me that. I love the look on people's faces.
Yeah.
When I'm up there and I'm talking about that you potentially could lose everything if you don't get this done, and I always see people whisper, I didn't know that. And so I think it's the look on people's faces, and then afterwards so many people come up and thank me for doing this as a community service.
It's almost like their light bulb in their head goes off.
They had no idea.
Yeah. Is there anything else that you would like our audience to know about why it's so important to be there and attentive at one of your seminars?
I think it is so important because there isn't a plan B. If you are over 50, you are risking your life savings if you do not know what you need to do to be prepared. Get documents set up while you're fine, while you're healthy, because none of us know what might happen tomorrow. And that's why I love doing this. Blake, people are always asking me when I'm going to retire, and I say, I am never going to retire. I love doing my seminars too much.
I love that, you know, and that means you have the passion for these people and the topics that you talk about. So thank you so much for coming in this morning.
Thank you very much for having me.
Yeah, of course, my pleasure. If you want more information at home, make sure you go over to the hot link section right now on our website at WNEM.com. And make sure you stick around. We're going to talk to Skorupski's Funeral Home right after this break.